Hello friends, welcome back our some viewers. In this unique clip, we will discuss adding and subtracting fractions. Let's bring excitement. We have these two fractions, 9 over 7 and 9 over 3. And we want to add them, multiply the first top times the second bottom. So we have 9 times 3, which is equal to 27. Multiply the first bottom times the second top. So we have 7 times 9, which is equal to 63. Now just add those two numbers. So we have 27 plus 63, which is equal to 90. Multiply the two denominators. So we have 7 times 3, which is equal to 21. And that is all. Thanks for watching. Share, like and subscribe to support the channel.